Wanna learn how to keep or edit your music widget on your Imo app? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Daily Tutorials. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. I am already logged in. Make sure you are as well. Now, tap on this profile icon on the top left corner. Tap on your profile picture or your profile name. Now tap on edit. Now tap on edit next to share. On the bottom right, tap on music widget. You can see there is a song named as Gorgeous going on to my profile. So tap on music as it. Here are 4 of the moods from which you can choose. The first one is smiley, the second one is love, the third one is the crying one, and the fourth one is a relaxed one. I am randomly going to choose from the smiley one, okay? So you can also do the same. Okay, tap on one of the songs that you want to keep. So just like this, and when you're done, get back. You can see that your music has been changed. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.